Rice chili, a delicious, simple, and easy combination of ground beef, diced tomatoes, bell pepper, onion, and a perfect blend of seasoning. Made in one pan in 30 minutes. It doesn't get any better, guys, so let's make some up. Starting with about a pound of medium ground beef. I use medium because you want a little bit of fat on there. We're going to add this to a pan over medium-high heat. A chopped red onion. I use red because I like that sweetness, but you can use any onion if you like. And a chopped green bell pepper. Now we're using green because there's a lot of red in this with the additional ingredients, but I suppose you could use red if you want. Then we will grab up our handy dandy wooden spoon and just kind of break this meat down a little bit and stir and fry this for, I'd say, about 5 minutes until that meat is cooked through, those bell peppers are tender, and that onion is translucent. I just love cooking, don't you? If you do, drop a comment below and let me know. Okay, our meat is pretty well cooked through, and you've got a little bit of fat and water happening here, but I'm just going to leave that because I like every little itsy bits of flavor I can get. You could go ahead and drain it though. Next up, in with a cup of tomato sauce, and if you can get a good tomato sauce, guys, go ahead and do that because it makes all the difference in the world. Followed by another cup of drained diced tomatoes, and remember I said we're putting a lot of red in, and that's why we use the green bell pepper. And if you do this, you won't be sad. And now for our seasoning. So we are going to start with a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and of course some salt and pepper, a teaspoon of each. It's really easy, a teaspoon, and a teaspoon. So we'll go ahead and dump this in. Give this a good stir up, and we're going to bring this to a boil again over medium-high heat. Okay, we have a really nice boil happening here. So now in with 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. You can make this up the night before. You can get, that Uncle Ben stuff you buy in the supermarket. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now I'm using basmati rice here, but you can use any kind of rice you want. Long grain, short grain, no grain, just kidding there. And of course we're going to give this a good stir up until everything is beautifully combined. Now I should add here too, guys, you could add in a can of kidney beans too if you want, but I wanted rice chili, not kidney bean chili, but entirely up to you. So we shall just stir and simmer this for another, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes until that rice is heated through. And there you have it, guys, our ridiculously delicious, simple, and easy rice chili. Now come on, it doesn't get any easier than this. Now we are going to plate this up, and just look at that steam rolling off there, guys. Oh, it gets so warm even on a cold day. Garnish this up with, yes, you guessed it, some chopped green onions. You can use cilantro, parsley, whatever you like. We want to make this real pretty like. You bite into this and your palate just fills with that wonderful seasoning we added, which I should have said you can adjust according to your liking. The bell peppers, the ground beef, the rice. Oh, it is just chili without beans. Let's chill out. What more can I say, my friends? This is simply a must make. So you must make it. Hungry for more? Subscribe.